Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I hook up my rain barrels here, get free water from my downspouts. Here I have two 50-gallon drums that I use to collect my rainwater. I have built a platform, and up at the top I have my water saver that I have attached to my downspout that diverts the water into my barrels. Okay, I'm up here about 10-12 feet up in the air, so I want to show you a little bit about what this water saver does and how it works. Right now, I have this plug on it for the winter. It's nice and sunny out now, so I'm going to take this plug off and attach the hose that goes from the water saver to my rain barrels down there. Here's the water saver attached to my downspout, and my makeshift plug here is real easy. I just simply pull it off, and that's where the water comes out. Over the winter, this gets stopped up with debris from the roof. Maybe sometimes there's leaves or seeds, but it seems pretty clear now, so the water should flow easily from here into the rain barrels. I'll just attach this hose to the water saver. Now this hose is approximately 4 feet long, and it'll reach the bottom of my rain barrels. Right here you can see the hole that it'll go into. Just feed it in. And that's how it looks from up here. Now as you can see, I've built up my rain barrels a little bit off of the ground, and there's a reason for that. You can see the hose coming from the water saver into the first barrel. Underneath here, I have these two rain barrels connected so that when this one fills up, it pushes the water into the second rain barrel, and I have 110 gallons of rainwater to feed my garden. Here's a little bit more steady view of what it looks like. Approximately 4.5 feet above the ground, and that creates a little bit more pressure for the water to be pushed out of the hose I have here at the bottom. Now let's take a look and see what's going on underneath. Here we are underneath my rain collection system, and you can see my two rain barrels are hooked up with a series of pipes, hoses, a shutoff valve, another hose that comes out here, and then a shutoff spigot here where I can water my garden pretty easily. Let me walk you through the steps of all of these connections so you can see how I get 110 gallons of water every time it rains. Now each of these 55-gallon barrels come equipped with a threaded hole at the top or bottom that is 3/4 of an inch. This is a 6-inch, 3/4 inch threaded pipe attached to a 90-degree elbow that is also 3/4 inch. Just a connecting piece here, 3/4 inch, and then onto a hose fitting that I cut to length into a splitter, again 3/4 inch, with two separate shutoff valves. Now I leave these open so that when this rain barrel fills, the water comes down with the water pressure, pushes up into this rain barrel and fills this rain barrel, as long as my spigot is closed. Now to get the rain from the rain barrels, when I'm ready to water my garden, I have a reducer here that reduces this from 3/4 to 1/2 inch. This is a 1/2 inch threaded pipe that is 12 inches long. I needed a female end, so I added this piece. You can see the spigot is a 1/2 inch, and this is the shutoff valve that I could open and shut when I need the water. Of course, this hose is cut to length, and I walk over and water my garden. Now, like I said, my hose is long enough to reach my garden, which is just on the side of my house. So I have enough to water all my plants. I've got some zucchinis going. This is a banana pepper. We have green peppers. Jalapeno is here. Some banana peppers in the back. Down here, they're not doing so well, but those are radishes. And right here, these are beets. So we'll see how they do this summer. One more thing that I added for hose storage is just this hook that I had in my garage, and I just wind up the hose and put it on there. It looks nice when it's stored. And there you have it, all nice and wound up. That is my rainwater barrel collection system. Well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.